Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Tuesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in Warsaw, in Poland, and we're at Connoisseur, which is a great place to come on the weekends or during the week. There's the kind of world famous museum called the Vodka Museum. Don't be afraid. It's not just a museum. There's a lot of interesting things to see, but also you get to, if you take the tour, you can try some vodkas. They also have amazing food here, a great place to come and visit. And then just to walk around, there's a lot of nice restaurants, a little bit of retail, but the Vodka Museum, whether you're a tourist or you're a local here, it's always a great place to come have dinner. They've got an awesome rooftop place to hang out. And if you're in the old town, it's very easy to get here. It's very quick. So it could definitely be on your tour of places to visit, or just come to eat during the day or in the evenings. Also a great spot. So this week we're doing a little bit of retail. Retail in Poland, as the retail is kind of, really picked back up and kind of bounced back a bit. So we're going to just test a few retail places out. This Connoisseur is a lot of been a very big success in this restaurant. There's a few other restaurants around to try out as well, but definitely worth coming by and seeing what's going on. And so now we'll just shoot over to our studio in Warsaw and do the news, and we'll meet up with Winston. He'll tell us what's going on today on the news. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, September 6th. So we're one month away from Expo Real. So coming up, and a lot happening here. We're putting together our magazine, our CEE investment guide for Expo Real, Europa Property CEE investment guide for Expo Real, covering Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, the Balkans. So if you've got any projects going on or any opportunities for investors or end users, please let us know. We want to get you in this edition of the magazine. We're the international media partner for Expo Real and distributing over 5,000 magazines at the fair. Also, we're working on our events. Two weeks right after Expo Real, we have our CRE Awards in Hungary, covering the southeastern region and also the Balkans. So a lot going on. Czech Republic, Slovakia as well. A lot of big markets there covering in this region. So that's exactly 2 weeks after Expo Real on the 20th at the InterContinental Budapest. And then the next week, we have our CEE Investment Awards, which is really taking off. And if you haven't booked if you want to get a corporate table, of course, there's always some, not always, but we have some single tickets. But if you want to get a corporate table or do something with sponsorship, let us know right away, because that is filling up quickly. So we hope to see you at that. And then, of course, right after is MAPIC and Retail Awards, which is happening, which we're international media partners of, which is at the end of November this year. So end of November, first day of December. So we hope to, if anything on the retail side, any shopping centers or retail space you have that could be some opportunities for retails, let us know, because this is the time to do it. Having said that, we'll shoot over to Winston Norman. We'll take a little break, and then we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news for our Europa Property on this Tuesday. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, Winston. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Good to see you.
Craig. How's it going?
Good,
nice
good. Great to be back in the office and filming this. A lot seems to be happening on the market. We just were talking to Mark Toomey, and it seemed like there was a lot of promotions and and people moving around the region. So
it's busy time of year, I think.
Yeah. Now I think it seems like it's just 24 hours now. So let us know what we have in the news today.
Yeah, so some of the highlights from the website today include Panattoni have started a construction of Panattoni Park Nadarzyn II, which is just outside of Warsaw, and it's being built on a 20-hectare land plot, which will offer almost 100,000 square meters of space in 2 buildings. Over the half of the space is to be taken up by an international logistics firm, which will use the centre to run operations from a global leader in the interior furnishing sector. The tenant will have access to the facility in early 2023, and the development will be certified under BREEAM rating for excellent. And according to Panattoni, which is the strength of the Warsaw market and the numerous towns around it is really, really strong at the moment, and the possibilities just seem to be pretty endless for warehousing and logistics.
It does seem that way, doesn't it?
There's a 5 million population in and around Warsaw, so it's the demand there's a lot of demand.
Everyone ordering their wooden toothbrush to be delivered. You got to have a big warehouse for that.
Yeah, and have you seen all the new Allegro post boxes that are appearing everywhere?
It was just InPost for so long. Yeah. Now it's like there's a few more kicking around.
Every time I leave the house is like a new parcel box.
Oh God, it's like, why even have the post anymore?
Yeah, exactly. And staying in the logistics sector and moving to staying in Poland, and Squall Pattern Boggs has advised an affiliate of Mapletree Investments on a warehouse development transaction in Poland. Hillwood Polska was the project developer, and this transaction concerns the development of the warehouse facility tailored to the needs of a tenant, which was a BTS development, which is very popular on the market, as you know. And the law firm Clifford Chance assisted the developer in this transaction. And staying in the logistics market, and Volcano, a fashion brand of the Polish company VCO, will move its operations to Fortress Logistics Park Bydgoszcz, where it will lease 2,100 square meters. The tenant was represented in this transaction by Newmark Polska, and VCO provides 2 fashion brands, which is Volcano and Patrol, and this is for men and women. They have fashion clothes that they claim are environmentally friendly and sustainable, which is very
ESG,
which is good news for the fashion sector, which has a lot of waste, as you can imagine.
I think they're going to all have to go that way. They're going to have to use some kind of biodegradable clothing or something at some point. I guess it doesn't help.
Edible clothing.
I guess it doesn't help if you wash it too many times. So do you have any Volcano clothes in your?
Not yet. No, I've not seen this brand actually. So I'll keep my eye out for it. And
we'll have to pop over there.
And finally for today, staying in Poland and moving to the retail market, and the Polish chain of 24-hour fitness centres, City Fit Blue, has opened up a new development and a new business model in Galeria Zielona in Puławy. It's the first facility of this kind in that city. And according to Łukasz Gadek, he's the member of City Fit's board of directors, he says the concept created in Puławy is a new club format, one with a smaller footprint optimized for localities of a slightly different demographic structure. It is also an example of an offer for those interested in franchising with our network and opening a club under the City Fit Blue brand.
City Fit, so 24 hours.
24-hour fitness centres. Yeah.
So no excuse now for not having enough time to work out.
No excuse.
24 hours. Great.
One open all the time.
Well, thank you for that, Winston. And I think Mapletree, didn't they put in a nomination, I think, for our investment awards as well? So, good one. Pretty active, I think, the last year.
Yeah. Active on the warehousing sector for sure.
Exactly. Well, good to hear that with so much is happening in Poland. And thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in our Warsaw week of what's going on. We're going to look at a few of the retail and see how the retail outlets are going. So exciting, as you see. So a lot of things happening. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow morning for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.